Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Howdy. So you want to know more about homemade hair conditioner? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about homemade hair conditioner is pioneerthinking.com. Specifically the page titled Homemade Conditioners Beauty, Pioneer Thinking. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.essortment.com, especially the page Natural Health, Homemade Hair Conditioner Recipes. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.wisebread.com. The web page 5 hair conditioners you can make at home, Wise Bread. This is the link.